The final aspect of this project is how are you going to present this to the class? How are you going to share it with your audience? Well, if you take a look at your presentation outline, and I'll show that to you really quickly, at the top of the presentation outline, there is a presentation link space right here. And we want to have a link for your presentation that I can just click on, and I can begin to play your presentation right from your presentation outline. So let's talk about how to, from PowerPoint, get a shareable link that you can post on your OneNote presentation outline, and then that I can open and can view your presentation. So let's go back to our PowerPoint file that we were working in before. And you'll notice that there is an option in the upper right-hand corner for share right up here. But we're going to use, in order to share your PowerPoint presentation, it needs to be on OneDrive. So I want to walk you through very quickly how to do that. There are a couple of ways that you can do it, but I'll show you one way. If you typically save things to your computer, which a lot of people do, if you save things just to the desktop on your computer or onto the hard drive onto your computer, you're not saving them to OneDrive. First off, I'll tell you that's risky. It's dangerous because if something happens to your computer, all your files are gone. So you should be saving things to a cloud-based storage service like OneDrive, which we provide through the school. So if I go up to File and say Save a Copy of this, let me just save this to my desktop to show you how this could work. So I'll click on Desktop, and we have Sample Presentation Lincoln. I'll hit Save. That will save it to my desktop. Okay, so that's all set. Now, if this file is stored on my computer, but I want it stored on OneDrive. So how would I do that? Well, I'm going to open up a browser and go to office.com. Once I'm in office.com, then I can come along and click on OneDrive, open up OneDrive, and all I have to do is then open my Windows Explorer where I store my files. I'll go to the desktop, I'll find my sample presentation Lincoln, and just drag that into OneDrive. And you'll see right up here in the upper corner it says uploading one item to documents. And that actually is going to appear down here in just a second. So once this begins to upload into this presentation, into OneDrive, it says, okay, so here it is, sample presentation Lincoln. Now I have the ability to share this. I have the ability to actually do something with this file where I can give it to somebody else and they can look at it. So I'm going to go, there's a little arrow right next to it, and if you click on that, it'll give you the option to share. Let me make my camera just a little smaller so we can see this. And the first option that it gives you when you're getting a shareable link is it says only people you specify can view. I would change this to anyone with the link, anyone with the link. That way, you don't have to enter my email address. If somebody else needs to open it, you don't have to worry about that. Just click anyone with the link and then hit apply. And then down here in the lower left-hand corner, it'll be an option to copy link. That'll get a shareable link for you. Copy that and then go back to your presentation outline. Go right up to the presentation link right up there, paste that in, and now when I open OneNote and I see that link, I can just click on it and it will actually open up your PowerPoint presentation online. So I'll actually be able to see your entire presentation through online, and I'll be able to play it. Notice it's listed as read-only, so I won't be able to make any edits or changes to your presentation. I'll only be able to view it, which is all that you need to have for your final presentation inside of this class. So that's how you share your PowerPoint file. You need to get it into OneDrive, and you need to get a shareable link that anyone can view.